welcome to BackupGuard WordPress backup plugin. And now we will start our walkthrough. This is the main page of BackupGuard WordPress backup plugin, which you will see in the login state mode in the WordPress website admin section. And from here we will start our walkthrough. In this page, you can see our backups section. You can see already performed backups, which are represented with the following parameters: file name, size, the date of backup performance, the status of the backup, and a couple of actions that you can perform. You can delete it, of course. You can download to have a local copy on your computer, and you can restore it whenever you need. So how to create a backup? For that, you would need to create on our respective button, on the backup button. You click on it, a pop-up appears where you can define what will be your backup. So you can add a title to your backup, which is an optional thing. You can choose whether it should be a full backup or a custom one. And by custom, we mean you can choose to backup only databases, only files, or all of them. You can choose to upload it to a cloud out of the cloud options that are connected to our plugin. And you can also choose to have it all in the background mode. So let's say we want to create a test backup. We want to make it full, and we don't want to upload it to any cloud. So we'll keep it here, and yeah, after finalization of customization of the backup, we are going to do, we create on the backup button. The loading starts. In the new screen, you can see here that the backup process has started. So the database is being backed up, and one more refresh. Yep, the backup is ready, and it's in our new list. And you can see the time when the backup has been implemented. A very similar process is also with migration. So there's nothing to add. And of course, in case you have previously done a download of a local copy, a download of your backup copy, and you want it to restore to that particular copy, you can import it from your PC or the connected cloud servers, so that you perform the backup to that specific file. In the left part here, we have a couple of other sections for our plugin, and let's briefly go through them. The cloud settings, basically, you can see here the cloud options that we have, to which you can connect and you can upload your backups to. To do that, you just need to switch on the gear and log in to Dropbox, Google Drive, or whatever you will select. Scheduling is as an opportunity to automatize the process, so you can create a schedule for your backups. You can choose the label, you can choose other backup options that we have described above. And the only difference is that in this particular pop-up is that you can decide on the frequency. So let's say you want to do hourly backups, or daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And again, you click on save and the process starts. We have settings section. Those are the settings for your plugin. You can choose email notifications, alerts, the behavior with regard to your local copy, so whether you want it to delete the local one after uploading it, some statistics, that you can decide whether you want to see your FTP in the passive mode or active. As a pro user, you can disable ads, retention of the backups, which means number of backups that will be kept. So let's say after 100 backups performed, the next one, while doing the next one, the very first backup will be deleted. Destination path, frequency, etc. And I mean request frequency. So these are the general settings. Our next section in our plugin is the system information about the server where this particular demo account is being hosted. Then we have tab for services. So we have special services, and currently we offer only migration service, which is a service where our team members are implementing a complete migration of one website on behalf of the team that manages or owns the website. And the final tab here is the support. So you can see our help center, the relevant articles. In the top right part, you can choose the language or decide to go to our main website. And in the very bottom here, you can choose to chat with us or send us an email. This was the WordPress backup plugin by BackupGuard.